Hello and welcome to today's demonstration of the Silect Operations Portal Managed Instance. The Portal MI is a new service being offered by Silect, allowing you to manage the key stages of the management pack lifecycle. That includes authoring new management packs or authoring overrides. It includes MP analysis, where you can dig into your management packs to see what they're going to discover, what they're going to monitor. It allows you to create reports of the contents of those management packs. It also provides MP backup as a service, as well as version control. So now you're going to be able to see all the changes to MPs within your environment and potentially be able to see additional information about who's making those changes. And for a limited time, we're making this service available free of charge. So sign up today at cloud.silect.com. Let's go ahead and take a look at the new Portal MI. So to access the Silect Operations Portal Managed Instance, go to cloud.silect.com to log in. If you don't have an account, no problem, just click the link and you can sign up for free. And again, we're offering the public preview of the Portal MI free of charge. So let's go ahead and log in. I'm going to use my email account to log in. And here we're going to see the Portal MI and some of the features that make available through the new service. The first thing I can do is view management packs. So I can go through our online store database. We have a library of sealed management packs from Microsoft and other vendors. So if you want to take a look at some of the management packs made available from them, and certainly you can go ahead and open up any of one of those management packs. You can get more details. This particular reporting grid is very flexible. That lets you slice and dice by any one or more columns within the report. You can expand things out and you can view detailed properties of any one of these MP elements that are found within the management pack. And there are a number of view options and filtering options that we make available to ensure that you can find exactly the information you need to find in any management pack that you're looking at. In addition to viewing sealed management packs, we have the ability to, in my case, I've got a list of all the unsealed management packs running within my environment, and I can open up all of these unsealed management packs and I can view the contents. In this case, I'm looking at a bunch of overrides in this particular management pack, and I can see some of the information about these overrides, including in this case, a threshold being changed from its default value. I also have the ability to edit any of these management packs. So if I flip over to my edit option, I'll get the same choice in terms of being able to open up the management packs. I think we were looking at that SQL management pack before. I can edit any one of these overrides. In this case, I can change perhaps this default value, which seems a little bit high. I can change this back down to something more reasonable. And we can save that override. If I want to delete any of the overrides, I simply click on the trash can, and we can delete an override that's defined within this particular management pack. Now, the next thing I want to show you is the authoring experience. Now, just before I close this off, we also have the ability to download this management pack. Because this is a cloud service, it's disconnected from my corporate IT environment. So what I'm able to do is download this management pack. And if I want to be able to work with this management pack in my SCOM environment, I can download the XML. I can open it up. In this case, we're looking at it through VS Code. And I can take this management pack and import it into my SCOM environment. The Portal MI also provides an authoring experience. And so if you're interested in creating a new management pack, let's go ahead and create a new MP using this service. It's only going to give me access to a series of folders that I'm allowed to have access to, and I'm going to create this in the Silect folder. I can create a new folder structure if I need to. It's going to ask me the version of SCOM, as well as the type of MP, whether it's Windows, SNMP, or Linux. And we'll select the SCOM 2022. And as you'll see, the authoring experience in the portal is based on fragments. So we're going to use fragments to build the appropriate elements within the management pack. For example, if I want to create a discovery based on the existence of a registry key, I'll just pick that very first fragment, and let's give it some information here. So the key that it's going to look for is going to be software Silect. And let's just give this a unique identifier for this element. So there we're going to add a discovery to the management pack that we're building. And perhaps what I also want to do is I want to do some web monitoring. So I'm going to use a fragment that we actually created. And it's going to prompt me, let's target that class that we created. And here are the properties for this particular element which monitors a website. So this is a synthetic transaction monitor. And let's put in the various thresholds. It's going to monitor, let's monitor the Silect cloud site. Put a warning threshold value, and let's just call this the portal MI. And so there we have a new monitor built into this management pack. You can see it's including some other information as well, including rules, unit monitor types, views. So this fragment is actually pretty extensive, and it builds really what's going to be a very complete management pack for us to use going forward. At this point, I can either do some additional changes, I can edit the existing elements, I can import new fragments. If I want to make use of this MP, I'll simply download it as we did before. And now that management pack is available in my system for viewing, for additional editing, or for deployment within my SCOM environment. I can also import my management packs into the cloud service using this import capability. So one scenario could be I've got copies of all my unsealed management packs running in SCOM, and I can upload those to save those into the Silect cloud. The reason to do that is from this point onward, we can track changes being made to those management packs, and we also can control versions of those management packs. And so what I can show you here is that in our catalog of management packs, I can see if there are multiple versions of any one of these management packs, and I can always revert back to a previous version. So if I need to undo some changes that we've made, I have the ability to do that through this the version control capability of the portal MI. We can also generate change reports, and so as changes are being made to these management packs, as editing is being done, we're tracking who's making those changes. So if I click on changes and load the audit history report, I'll be able to see all changes made to a management pack or a group of management packs since I've started using the portal MI. So here's an audit history of all the management packs in my Silect folder. And last but not least is the MP Wiki, which provides you an HTML report on any one of the management packs that are in the portal MI database. So thank you for attending today's demonstration of the Silect Operations Portal Managed Instance, available at cloud.silect.com. Again, for a limited time, this is being made available free of charge. So sign up, use the portal, build some great management packs, and give us your feedback. We're really interested to understand how we can better serve the community through this new service.